across the globe. This is Jeff Kilian for the VTC.com, VectorTradersConsortium.com. Excuse me. This morning, we're going to quickly run through our pre-market open analysis, technically speaking, in order to discern what are the greater probabilities for the move to the downside or the upside today. So right now, the time is 9:14 a.m. Eastern Standard, and the market will be opening in 16 minutes. The overall bias on our end, which we'll run through real quick here again, is we are net short for the session. So how do we arrive at that conclusion? We had a major sell-off came in here, 3 down days, 1 up day, and the final day here on this up to drive the prices back up, but not in the same kind of volume that drove the prices down. The volume was about half, if not just a little bit less, comparatively speaking. The levels to the downside so far are right here. This yellow major daily level is drawn from 12/9/2021. Now, when we got through blue skies on an up close, the previous market call was that were we going to go long or short? We needed some upward closes and we needed the MFI to move up. That did not happen. So that was clearly called. Here, yesterday, down day, and now we are through 12/9/2021's down close price right here at approximately 46.58.50 flat. On ES, near contract month, S&P 500 E-mini futures for the proxy for today's analysis. Again, running through this level here. Now, this is a major incident because the next level to the downside for a target is here. So the level that was crossed through right here, all right, you can see on the close, again, 46.67. The next level to the downside right here, okay, it's a long way to go. So there's a lot of profit there. And here, all the way down, more profit. If this happens, we're going to need to see a lot of volume come in based on the market opening and shortly thereafter. SMI has already crossed from above to below after a negative divergence. Here, the Fib app, the most recent Fib application from here to here had the sell-off stopping right here. No traders had this price level laid out from the 50% in between zero, right, at 47.08 here and 42.91, 47.05, excuse me, and 42.91. And this is exactly where prices tapped out and a shakeout to the downside before prices moved back up. Now, readjusted will be up here. And that becomes the new Fib official application. So a lot of room to the downside again, as you already saw through this level here. For the earliest target, now 23.60, get out on a rally at 46.12.30. What does the MFI say? The MFI says after a major negative divergence, which pushed the prices down, the levels are still extremely low as compared to these price levels. So in isolation, where's the strength coming in? Are we moving up? Are we through this peak? Not yet, and nowhere near it in sight. The chicken oscillator had a primary negative divergence here, and if we connected a trend line from here to here and looked at the relative comparison of these peaks, we'd have close to another negative divergence again, and that is down for the last 2 sessions, excuse me. So getting into the chicken money flow, what's happening today? Long-term money says no. We are out, we're going short, and that's it, a current value of negative 1.95. So where's the strength behind the market, people? It doesn't exist, not at this moment in time. So anytime you're going to trade, whether end of day or real time, we need to think about what is the current state of the US market. Here's what I want to send home this morning before this market opens today. Where do we stand? Are we net neutral? Not in this case. Maybe yesterday we were, but we're net short out of level 6. And we're looking to see how prices react after market open. So for all of you that are with us today, we thank you for subscribing. Our list is growing. We appreciate your attention and we appreciate your fidelity and your dedication to how we deliver over everything in a fully transparent manner so that you get to learn something every day and take it with you. This is Jeff Kilian for the BTC. In 2022, we're going to be doing a lot of live streaming. We're gearing up for that now. We'll see you on the next recording. Be careful out there.